Hi guys, it's Aiden. If you didn't know, I like Nerf guns. So today I thought that I should do a video on my Nerf Gun Arsenal. So let me go grab my stuff. Wait. Sorry guys. Hold on. I have all my stuff in like different places and I don't... Okay, let me enter the passcode to this. Okay. So, my first Nerf gun that I'm going to pull out of here is my third X3, I think I put it, yeah, third X3. This is my third X3. It holds 3 bullets, good capacity, good length. I like this gun a lot because it can fit in your pocket, and people might not know. People might know that you have a Nerf gun in your pocket. So that's one. The next one I'm going to show you is actually on my Nerf vest that I have. I know that a bunch of people out there like airsoft and stuff. Airsoft is not my thing. I like Nerf. And plus, Nerf guns are kind of cool. So. Next, I have my Fire Strike. This is my... Sorry, guys. In a minute. Okay, this is my Fire Strike. It has a laser pointer, so I can point it at the wall, and this is how it shoots. Like, this is how you pull it back to cock it, and then you can pull the trigger, and or you can keep it down. Do your laser pointer thing, and then it shoots on the dot, because there is a dot. And on my third X3, you cock it by putting your fingers down here and then pulling down at the bottom, and then it shoots. It's up already? I didn't know YouTube videos get uploaded that fast. So, yeah, I just shot a bullet out of this. I'll shoot one out of this, and I'll show you guys the length of my door. This is like the best I can do. Next, I have my strong arm. This is my strong arm. You cock it right here, and of course I have one more. And you cock it the same way. These Nerf guns are like, I don't know how to say it, but they're kind of different than all Nerf guns because I've had them for a while, and since I've had them for a while, okay, she's watching it. Okay, so yeah, I've had these for a while, and they kind of get like worn down. So this one I have, some bullets might not shoot that like hard or that far because I've had it for a while, and these two are like my first Nerf guns. They are my first Nerf guns. Whoa. So, yeah, I mean, see, the bullet actually goes out of that one. Sometimes it goes out, sometimes it doesn't. Hey, I know I have a bunch of background noises. Nobody can take that seriously without laughing. Right here is my zombie strike. I like this gun. I'm waiting to do the big one for the end. This is my... I'm stupid. Yeah. You cock it like a normal gun, you pull down like a revolver, and then it shoots like that. And then next I have my vest. This is my Nerf vest. I have my bullet up here, my end strike badge right here. I got my, oh god, I'm reaching on the wrong side. I got my magazine. Down here I have more bullets. And then in this pouch right here, I have just extra bullets. Sorry guys. And then my favorite, oh god, Hailfire. This thing is awesome. Has that. You start the motor like this. You start the motor, and then you shoot the bullets. So yeah, now it's time to do a test, and I'll show you how good all of them work. Okay, so as you see, I'm standing up right now. Hold on. Boop-a-doo. So first, I thought that I should do my zombie strike. I'm just gonna shoot it at my door, and I'm gonna stand a little ways back. So let's see now. Ready? I'm gonna stand like back by my closet back there. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. I hope y'all saw that. Next, I'm gonna do my 3x3, my tiny gun. That's how you caught. And then on this one, 3, 2, 1. And as you see, that one kind of shot 2 bullets at once, which I kind of like. Next is my fire strike. Sorry guys, that was kind of an epic fail. So you do this. There we go. I'm just going to do one strong arm because they're the same thing. This one's an automatic rotator too. So we do 3, 2, 1. Oh, that didn't work. See, I told you they're old. 3, 2, 1. The bullets don't work in them anymore. So maybe I should do this one. There we go. Next, Hailfire. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And then how's that? See that? Kind of weird. Now I have to clean up all the Nerf gun. I mean, bullet. So yeah, if you want to mess in your room, buy a bunch of Nerf Gun. Understand me? As what I thought. So now you reload your guns. Third X3, you put back inside of your Nerf gun, like this. For your fire strike, you want to put it in there, and then it has your extra storage space for you right down here. For your zombie strike, you just want to reload it like this. And I am missing another bullet. I don't know where it is. And then on this gun, you have to really you have to take it out and stuff. What? Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, bye.